This is the Evans rock pack of Evans DB1 drum heads. This is a 16-inch, a 12-inch, and a 10-inch head. They all come with this strike pad in the middle here. This guy right here is kind of a fabricy nylon, and it's sticky, so you can rip it off and reposition it if you want to. All of them come with this, and they all come with these foam rings on the back here. So it's one section here, one section here. I have no worries that these are going to come unstick. I've been wailing on these drum heads for quite a while, and these things have not come off at all. So they all come in this box here. It's slightly thicker than a normal Evans box. And let's go ahead and hear how they sound really quick. So as you can hear, they're still drum tone, but these things are not super loud. They're not hurting my ears at all. So if you're in the market and you need a 10, a 12, and a 16-inch drum head and you want some low volume drum heads, these guys are fantastic. I really like them and I would highly recommend them.